All right, let's start this stick to your rib dish off. Spaghetti with a 3-cheese sauce. First thing you want to do is melt 2 tablespoons of butter in a pan over medium to medium-low heat. And once the butter is melted, you want to add 3 tablespoons of flour, a little bit of salt, and a little bit of pepper. Basically, you just want to make a roux. And we all know how to make a roux. All right, and after your roux's made, it's a little more solid than most roux. Kind of have the texture of brown sugar a little bit. You want to add 2 cups of whole milk and stir this until everything is incorporated, or the roux and the milk are one. And you do want to stir this pretty regularly, because, again, you don't want to run the risk of it burning on the bottom. So, again, this is the part of the dish where you're committed. Okay, so I decided to go with about a half a cup of the kind of low-fat cream cheese. I forget what it's called. Starts with an N. You can also use, if you want, a half a cup of mascarpone cheese here, but I just decided to go with this. And now you want to add a cup of mozzarella cheese and then a cup of Parmesan cheese, and just keep stirring this around till everything is incorporated. If it's too thick to your liking, go ahead and add a little bit more milk. All right, pretty much the sauce is done, as thick as I like it. Now I'm going to add 12 ounces of spaghetti. You can certainly do a pound if you like, but I just went with the 12-ounce box of the thick and hearty spaghetti, and of course have to get some of it in the goddamn range. Then yeah, just stir this around, make sure everything's all coated. You can add a little pasta water if you want, just for a little bit of starch, but I wouldn't add too much. Okay, then just place a bit in a bowl, and you're good to go. Of course, I'm going to top mine with what I always top my pasta with, pepper. But, yeah, that's it. 3-cheese spaghetti. Done. And before anyone says it, no, this is not an everyday dish. This is a once-in-a-while dish. So 3-cheese spaghetti. Done.